Imagine turning one plant into many, all for free. It's not magic, it's propagation, the gardener's secret to endless plants. With simple cuttings, you can fill your home and garden with green life. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary root easily, making them perfect for beginners. You'll save money and can share your garden with friends. Propagated plants make wonderful personal gifts. Let's dive in and learn how to grow your own lush paradise from just one plant. Start by picking a healthy green stem that's not flowering or fruiting. This ensures the plant's energy is focused on growing roots, not on producing flowers or seeds. A vibrant, pest-free stem is the foundation for a strong new plant. Look for new flexible growth. Avoid old woody stems. Flexible stems root more easily and are less likely to rot or fail. Gently bend the stem. If it snaps, it's too woody for propagation. A good cutting is 4–6 inches long and free of pests or disease. Check for any spots, holes, or discoloration and only select the healthiest sections. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut just below a leaf node, the spot where leaves grow from the stem. Cutting here gives your new plant the best chance to develop roots quickly. This node is packed with cells ready to become roots. It's the powerhouse for new growth, so always include at least one node in your cutting. Remove the lower leaves, leaving just a couple at the top. This reduces water loss and helps the cutting focus its energy on rooting. This exposes the nodes and lets the cutting focus on rooting, not supporting extra leaves. Fewer leaves mean less stress and a higher chance of success. Always use sharp tools for a clean cut. Crushed stems struggle to root. A clean cut also helps prevent disease and infection from entering the plant. Avoid stems that snap or feel woody, they rarely root well. Soft green stems are much more likely to thrive and grow into healthy plants. Fresh green cuttings give you the best chance of success. The healthier your cutting, the faster and stronger it will root. With your cutting prepped, you're ready for the next step. Simple prep, big results. Let's get rooting and watch your new plant flourish from the very start. There are two simple ways to root your plant cuttings, in water or in soil. For water, place the cutting in a glass with nodes submerged and leaves above water. For soil, use a small pot with fresh potting mix, and plant the cutting after dipping it in cinnamon or honey. Keep your cuttings in bright, indirect light and maintain moisture. In a few weeks, you'll see roots forming. Just be patient, and soon you'll have a healthy new plant. Once your cutting has roots, about 1–2 inches long in water or resistance in soil, it's time to transplant. Gently move it to a bigger pot or your garden, using fresh soil. Spread out the roots, fill in with soil, and pat gently. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and help roots adjust. For the first week, keep the soil moist but not soaked. Watch for new leaf growth, that's a sign your plant is thriving. You've just created a new plant for free. Propagation is rewarding, sustainable, and lets you share the joy of gardening. Every new plant is a reminder of your green thumb. What will you propagate next? The possibilities are endless.